Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing SoLo Funds, which is a peer-to-peer lending app to determine if it is legitimate platform and to understand its loan process. So first of all, we need to understand what is SoLo Funds application. So SoLo Funds is a community-based financial platform that connects borrowers and lenders directly. So borrowers can request loans ranging from $20 to $575, setting their own repayment terms within a 35-day period. So instead of the traditional interest, borrowers can offer optional tips to lenders and donations to the platform. Now, let's just understand the pros and cons of the SoLo funds. So first, if I talk about the pros, so here borrowers set their own repayment dates that provides a flexibility. There are no required fees or interest rates, and tips and donations are also optional. The platform fosters a sense of community by connecting individuals directly. However, there are some cons that you need to consider here as well. Like if I talk about the cons, not all the loans requests are funded. Approval rates ranges between 55% to 60%. It can take up to 3 days for a loan request to be funded, which may not be ideal for the urgent needs. Some users have reported technical glitches within the application affecting their experiences. You can find that out via this Reddit post, and there are some reports of the slow response time from the customer support team. Now user experiences may vary. So as I said earlier, on Reddit there are some lenders that have shared positive outcomes, appreciating the platform's concept and ability to assist others. However, there are other uh, people that have reported technical issues and challenges with the customer services responsiveness. So if you are considering using SoLo funds, here are some tips that you can consider. Like first of all, you need to clearly outline your loan needs and repayment plan to attract the potential lenders if you are a borrower. And if you are a lender, you need to carefully review borrower's profile and loan requests to make informed decisions. Be aware of the potential technical issues and have patience with customer services interactions. In conclusion, SoLo Funds offers a unique peer to peer lending experience with flexible terms and a community driven approach. However, it is essential to be mindful of the potential funding delays, technical issues, and customer service limitations. As always, exercise due diligence and consider your financial situation before engaging with any lending platform. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.